PRO DELPHUS Surgical Simulators presents its new and advanced Venipuncture Simulator Hop, hands-on punctures. Hop is a revolutionary simulator designed to deliver unmatched realism and vascular access training. It is equipped with a mechanical blood circulation pump that ensures a continuous and uniform flow of artificial blood, precisely simulating the conditions found in real clinical procedures. HOP consists of a reusable base and a surgical arm unit that can be replaced after hundreds of venipunctures. Unlike conventional models, HOP does not use internal silicone or latex tubing. Its blood vessels are embedded directly into the soft tissues of the hand and arm, faithfully replicating human anatomy with detailed representation of the basilic, cephalic, and dorsal veins. HOP is available in two distinct versions, one with superficial veins, ideal for beginners, and another with deeper veins, recommended for advanced training. The standout feature of HOP is its exclusive ability to leave no visible puncture marks, even after hundreds of needle insertions. This is made possible by surgical neoderma, an exclusive material developed by PRO DELPHUS, which enables the puncture site to close immediately after needle removal. With HOP, healthcare professionals can carry out realistic, safe, and repeated training without compromising the simulator's integrity. HOP, hands-on punctures. More than just innovation, a new benchmark in realistic venipuncture simulation. PRO DELPHUS, excellence in simulation, because life deserves respect.